Welcome to the Visual Fractions YouTube channel. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of converting 2 milligrams to micrograms. Are you looking to convert 2 milligrams to micrograms but aren't quite sure how to do it? Don't worry, it's an easy conversion that can be done in just a few steps. In this video, we'll walk you through the process step by step and provide examples to help you master this skill. First, let's review the conversion factor. 1 milligram is equal to 1,000 micrograms. To convert milligrams to micrograms, all you need to do is multiply the number of milligrams by 1,000. Let's walk through an example. Say you have 2 milligrams of a medication that you need to convert to micrograms. We start by multiplying 2 by 1,000. This gives us 2,000 micrograms. And that's it, we're done. 2 milligrams is equal to 2,000 micrograms. But wait, what if you need to convert 2 micrograms of a supplement to milligrams? Don't worry, we've got you covered. To convert micrograms to milligrams, you need to divide the number of micrograms by 1,000. Let's walk through an example of how to convert 2 micrograms of a supplement to milligrams. We start by dividing 2 by 1,000. This gives us 0.002 milligrams. And that's it. 2 micrograms is equal to 0.002 milligrams. And there you have it. Converting 2 milligrams to micrograms is simple once you know the conversion factor. With a little practice, you'll be converting between milligrams and micrograms in no time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. For more conversion guides and math tips, make sure to subscribe to Visual Fractions. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.